I also want to notice that I'm raising an objection. First, I have to state that I understand the provisions of the Constitution that a party has a right to be represented by an advocate of his choice. And secondly, it is with a very heavy heart that I have to make this application. And I'm making an application for the disqualification of Senator James Orengo, Senior Counsel, and my learned friend will make the second application. The reason being alive to what happened in this court this morning, it is clear that the Senator indicated he had no information about this matter at all, and all was brought to his attention this morning, which procedurally and officially is true because that's when we served him to court this morning. However, as a senator, he sat in the Senate yesterday, where the DPP and the Hon. Attorney General appeared. This matter was extensively discussed, the background and the documents, and he was privy to them. Where do we draw the line between him as a senator who oversights the DPP and is acting on senatorial privilege, parliamentary privilege, to access information beyond these pleadings, and then he's also appearing for a part in these pleadings in his capacity as an advocate? I think there is a conflict of interest, and that matter has to be dealt with. Other than that matter, there are other issues regarding this matter that the DPP is called upon to explain in the Senate. They are documented, and he has prior information of them, more than what is in the pleadings. Where do we draw the line? I will therefore be making a formal application for his disqualification. I now want no, we have two applications to make. He's making the second one, and he should be allowed to do so.
Yes.
Please just hold on. She said that her colleague had a second application.
And I have a newspaper cutting of the DPP and the Attorney General appearing in the Senate yesterday before them and discussing these matters. It is reported in all the papers, and they asked him questions about Professor Qureshi's appointment, the background, the justification, the documents, the appointments. They were discussed yesterday.
My lady, I'm the judge.
If you could, Mr. Orengo,
okay.
Just hold on 1 minute.
Yes.
Let him make the second one so that you can have a comprehensive
No, a procedural issue, because the manner in which it is being brought is not fair.
She has put on notice.
Because I thought we should deal first with the order we just made, whether we are going to proceed with the applications, depending on the decision that we make. I thought that should be put aside. On account of the matter she's raising, we are quite prepared to deal with that application when it has been formally made. So I just want us to deal with it in an orderly fashion. My only surprise is that this is a reaction to what has happened in this court. In fact, it is Mrs. Oduor this morning who had asked me to introduce the parties, which I thought was a very good privilege.
That's a non-issue.
Let's just get on with it. Let's just get on with it. Let's hear.
But what I'm saying,
I think we've noted what you say.
Yes.
Let's just hear what is the next issue that needs to be raised.
Thank you. My lady and my lords, we will also be seeking similarly. My name is Muteti. Yes, my lady. We will also be seeking similarly the disqualification of Counsel, Senior Counsel Mugeni.
just disqualify all of us.
On the grounds that the lordships, you are presented with a situation where counsel appearing for a party have the privilege of sitting in the Senate and in a very important committee of the Senate, that being the Legal Affairs Committee. And the committee exercises oversight over the DPP and any matter touching on the administration of justice that goes before the Senate that would include any questions that also touch on the judiciary as an organ of government is placed before that committee for a decision. We will be raising questions as to the declaration of interest before this court, conflict of interest before this court, by the two senior counsel senators, and also seek an interpretation of how the law on privileges and immunities under the Immunities and Privileges Act is to be applied, since proceedings of that committee are protected under the law. Those are the main issues, and before we can move to the next question, whether or not to deal with the applications slated for today, then that matter would have to be reflected on. But as we have indicated through Malaya Senior, Madam Lucas will be seeking a short adjournment and will respond more specifically to the question whether or not to proceed. That's all.
We are looking at our keys.
Why don't you say something?
How much time do you require for this consultation?
1 hour. Because I'll have to go to the office. It's already 12:44. We can be back at 2.
I feel concerned to say that we should give the DPP as my time to consult, because we are now being held at ransom. We came here to hear an application at 9 o'clock. There are only 3 applications. Now they have translated into several applications. The business of the court must continue. So,
Actually, I'm sorry to cut you short,
yes.
but as far as we are concerned,
Yes.
right now,
yes,
the issue is only one.
yes, it's
Are they ready to proceed
Yes.
with the 3 applications, 2 for Vega and Amicus?
yes.
If she needs to consult so that she can get directions on whether to proceed without the participation of Professor Qureshi, that is all we need. The others, I think, are notices to
Yes.
the other side
Yes.
that they shall be raising regarding participation of the 2 persons.
Yes.
So that for now, I do not think that will be the issue. And if you need 1 hour, in our view, that is
Just an hour.
Our problem is about coming back in the afternoon.
We had the whole day today. But
No, nobody said that. It is not on record. It's not on record at all. Yes.
You have to assist all of us,
Yes.
including the court. We set aside this matter. We dropped everything else to come here today for this matter. We can deal with the question of gender at 2:30. Again, like the DPP, you have a nice whole team of counsel. Please allow us, if possible, to proceed with the preliminary issues of this matter so that we can proceed.
The only reason why I'm raising, I'd rather we come back at 2:30.
We'll come back at 2:30.
But I think we should make a positive order that we should come back to hear those applications, irrespective, but we need to give them time to go and consult. If you are coming back at 2:30 only to be told that the application is not going to proceed, then we're not making good use of judicial time.
You must have allowed them to consult Honorable Orengo.
Yes.
Let them consult, let them come back.
Yeah, but I'm just saying that, you know, it's really holding us at ransom, as it were.
It's getting much.